I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Bid Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bid Form dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your Bid Form dashboard. Under the Actions, click on three dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bid Form. Thanks for watching.